Alrighty guys, this is a STX 12F and we are putting in a brand new motor right inside here. So we got the wiring harness out of the way, we got the motor all prepped, ready to go, new drive shaft seals going in, wiring harness, just about everything. So let me hook up the engine hoist to the motor and let's slowly drop her in here. Alrighty, so we got the engine out of the crate, we got it up in the air. Just doing the last minute checks, make sure the pan bolts were on, that I forgot to put this one back on, but put it back on. And looks like we're missing 2 bolts, so let me get those for the starter and we'll go from there. Alrighty, so I got the bolts for the starter all hooked up. I'm gonna grab the drive shaft and slide this girl right on in. Hopefully it goes in without a hiccup. Give it a wiggle. There we go. Perfect. Push that all the way in. Alrighty, now let's get that girl right inside here. Alrighty, she is in. I don't know if you could see, but I accidentally crushed my finger right there. But here we are. Brand new motors in. There we go. Look at that. What a beast. What an absolute beast. A little bit of scuffing right there. I ain't too worried about it. Alrighty, so next thing, put the motor mounts in. Obviously they're not lined up, so we just have to slide the motor forward as well with the drive shaft. Just push it all forward and get everything all hooked up. So yeah, I'm happy that she's in, and let's get her all hooked up. Alrighty, and 2 hours later, we have the whole jet ski wired up. I know it's a whole mess, but figured out where everything goes and what I still need. So for the throttle body, I still need this top part and this. Guess it's like a vacuum thing. So that, let's see, this goes to the intake side. This little thing took me forever. I was like, why can't I find this? And the header is over there on the ground. I don't know if you can see it over there. There she is. So I was like, there's that temperature sensor. And I think there's only this is the only temperature sensor that I saw. Like there's no, this is a timing sensor. These are all injectors. This is crank sensor, cam sensor actually. Yeah, so I don't know how it, I guess it all depends on this, yes. But everything's all wired up. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's see, I think all I need right now is to wire up the starter, and then I'll be able to put in the intake manifold. So I still need to get a gasket for that. There's also still two sensors. I guess this is another vacuum sensor. I don't know, put that back in there. And need this last gasket and then throttle body gasket. So I'm gonna go online and order one of these, order a throttle body gasket, and then I'm also gonna buy headers for it. And what else do I need? I think that is it. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna end today's video. I got it in, got it all wired up. So next video hopefully is put together the intake side, probably look at either cleaning the injectors, because these injectors are really bad. I don't know if you can see that. Like, look at that. That's, you're supposed to see the bottom of the injector. Like, it's kind of supposed to look like that, where you see the holes. But I think these are gone. So I'm gonna see if I can find something for that. We'll see. So I need to buy that, and then also I need to buy the jet. I need to rebuild the jet as well. So slap that thing in there and redo the jet. So yeah, if you like what you see here, it's gonna be a few series. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna create a Instagram for this jet ski. If you want to follow that, I'll leave a link down, or the profile name down below. So yeah, if you like what you see here, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.